Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Teams are added or not. Check the teams configuration. So teams are added. Fine. Components configuration. Here I didn't add the team. Here. And here configuration. Teams are added. See, that is the thing. And resource, I added two components. Fine, I did one troubleshoot. And an application. Go to process. Here I added the teams or not. Check that one.
The video is skipped.
I think
Hello?
here it is not required. Yeah.
I said the screen is paused.
Okay. Now
Yeah, it's paused.
it is paused. Let me.
It's like it stopped recording.
Stop recording.
Yes. The recording stopped.
Let me check with him. Where can we record this one?
I don't think you have permission to record.
Okay. Edit name, subject, chart, options. Audio, audio, exit, and audio. Because the session recording is important here.
Yes. Very, it's very important.
And is not answering.
No, it's really late. Maybe sleeping.
Yeah. How you know that it is not recording?
Yeah, it's showing from the screen. Yeah, it says DevOpsSchool, but normally it should recording, but it's not recording now.
I'll check with another way, guys.
Let me try calling my phone.
Just try to call Bittu.
Yeah. I'm recording. Let's see. This thing is interesting.
I
This
think it
this
is recording. I hear that that video is recording something.
hello. Yeah, please can you check if the system is recording?
You're able to see my screen?
Yeah, please check if it's. Yeah, I'm seeing your screen now. Please check if the system is recording. Thank you. So it's checking, okay?
Okay.
Because it just paused when you sometime back. It just paused, and you see we're talking, but the mouse was nothing was moving. But
Okay.
yes, it's
Bit 2 has arrived.
yes, yes. He has joined. Hello. See now it should record. You see.
Yeah, correct.
Then it was not recording.
How can we on?
Hello. Please, can you ask him if he recorded the previous one when you started?
Bit 2, can you unmute you and record that one?
Mute. Okay.
No. Just record. Why this one is not on?
I already on record.
We
Since
have
we
missed
started,
so many
I
topics
already
here.
I
You should do
already
like.
started. I already
So it is
started.
saying it is recording is off. Recording is off. It is not recording. I'm clicking on this and it's not working.
I have no idea about it.
Then I will
so
share to
since,
Mark. Mark will ask you.
but when it started initially, you said it was recording, but you stopped it.
Because sir, you are when I leave the meeting, I already made you presenter or organizer. Then I leave meeting.
Please, can you check if you record from the beginning?
We'll do. Can you share another link so that we can record?
Right now recording is on.
Yeah, it's on now, but it started for long. I'm asking if since it started, if you record any part of it.
Okay, let me check. Okay, if recorded, then I will send you. Okay.
Okay, check please if you record anything because it's long it started.
A bit of this,
Yes,
the
sure.
second session is very important for him. Okay, if he miss the recording, then we can't do anything.
Okay, let me check. Okay, then I will send you. Okay.
Okay.
So present it is recording, right? But I can see it is off. Recording is off. Video present is recording or recording is off?
Recording on.
Okay. Fine. Okay, I will proceed. So, so now we'll start with the application deployment. Okay. Mark, you understood, right?
Yes.
So we made the changes, but still it won't deploy. Okay, see why it won't deploy. Next version, current version V. I'll take the V. Next, submit
But it says recording stop again.
again. See, it is failed, and this is already installed. It is saying, but I'm trying to deploy on the Uh, it's not. Why? Tell me. Okay, recording is stopped. Huh? Okay, okay.
Yeah, it stopped.
Call him again. He is not answering.
Oh, he didn't pick.
Bittu, when you join, it is recording.
Yeah, when he joined, it's recording.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. Okay, not an issue. I'm joining. Okay.
Can I click on recording is off? I don't see recording. It is because I don't see this is recording.
Right now, recording is on. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, fine, fine. See, uh, see, Mark, see, it is not deployed, but it's telling that it is already installed. It is failed because you can see the logs here at application level shell. So root directory, working directory root, and missing the appendant 77. See, wrong I'm given. So and I cannot start because it no such file and directory. So two troubleshoot I have to do. Okay, like this we can do a troubleshoot. Okay, now go to the component, run application, process, copy, shell script. Okay, save. Okay, I'm teaching you here. This one also just observe carefully. Troubleshoot also. Now go to the process, install. Okay, I selected one install component. I selected one component process. Okay, so either it should be a component process or either it should be an install component. Only one way you can go ahead and use this one in UCD. So that is the one of the drawback. So that is the thing. It is not picking up. Okay, now install component I'll select, and in that component run application, which process component process. Okay, this one, this one, both are install component. I didn't select the component process at all. Okay, now save it. Troubleshoot I did. How? Okay, like this you have to do the troubleshoot. If I run and this one, next, it is still, it is not came. Okay, so to work for that one, what you have to do, go to the application process. So I selected the what to call no deployment, right? So deployment I have to change here. Okay, no version I selected, right? Deployment I have to change. Save it. Okay, auto save. So now go to the application, start, deploy, dev environment. See, now 2 came, right? Here I no need of version because I don't have version. Here I need the version because this component is importing the version from Artifactory. Now go immediately submit deployment. Now it will be success. See, now you are going, will get the already installed. It is saying again, no version is selected. It is success, but nothing is happening. How will you resolve this one?
Success never fails.
So your UCD developer will get headache. So he have to do all this troubleshooting. Okay. So again I'll go. I'll change run application. process, go here, configuration, component. This one is deployment process type, it is not required, so no version needed. I will save. Okay. In application, it is stating that every time it is installed, right? That one. So what we'll do, in component, I can deploy multiple times that versions, but it is stating that this is already installed. Okay, so where it is installed, we'll go to the process. Working directory root is correct. Oh, no. So non-Maven build here, it is not useful for me. I have checked the copy to quotation, or what I checked. I have unchecked the copy to quotation. So you have to do troubleshooting like this. You have to think somewhere we are going mistake. Non-Maven is perfect. Root directory is perfect. Okay, so we'll deploy again. We'll see. Next, select version and number of time you can deploy same version. Next, submit. It is saying that already installed. No, it won't run. No version is selected.
So if probably the zip file or the repository is updated with the new latest code, so how will you also have to go to the repository and pick the code manually?
If new repository updated, okay. So we'll do that troubleshoot also, no problem at all. Go to the component, go here, import new version, view one.
Okay,
Save it.
all these are done manually.
Automatically you can go ahead and if you select the import version, automatically it will come here. Okay, yeah, you have to configuration import version of automatically copy to quotation, save here. It will copy to local close station also, and it will there also, but this is already deployed, it can't delete. And wait for 5 minutes, automatically it will import here, but we cannot wait for 5 minutes, so we'll do a manual import. Okay, now new version came. Your requirement, you want to deploy that new version, it will go ahead and deploy now. I am deploying. It will go and deploy in there, but it won't deploy run the component process or not. We'll try to change this one process. We'll put the component process. We'll see it will success or not. Instead of install the component, we'll put the component process. One application. Copy to.
You took my phone.
Okay. Save it. Save. And I'll run the dev environment. Next. Sorry, I didn't cancel. Run. Next. This one. V2. Next. Deploy immediately. See logs you can see here. See this is logs you can see here. Okay. You
Yeah,
asked me
yeah,
application logs, how can I see? It is deployment complete. It is deployed to root this
yeah,
directory. Okay.
yeah.
Here you can see shell script. It is run. Star no such file directory. CP root file and var file working directory, and output cannot chmod star and no such file is exist for the 0. It is copied or not, first we'll see.
If you go to root and see if the file is there.
Yeah. See, it is copied. Now access this one. Tomcat on which port number it will work?
8080.
8080, right? It will try to access. Access here. 8080. Tomcat is running. What is my sample war file now? Sample war file. Here running. My application is deployed. Got it, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the troubleshoot you have to do.
Mm,
Oh, you will face a lot of problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Application level deployment, component, single version. Sorry, component level deployment will be single component, single process, and your single task. In that process you have multiple tasks. That is fine. Single process. Application deployment, component, n number of component and number of process also you can go ahead and do. Okay. So
Okay,
that
thank
is
you.
the thing. I'll
Yeah.
show you again. Component deployment, one single process you can go ahead and do, but in application deployment you have one component, two component, three component, you have one process, second process, third process, here you have fifth process, here you have sixth process, whatever. In this component you have version 1, in this component you have version 2, in this component you have version 5. You can select anything. You can select here one, you can select here one, and you can form a one application process. Okay. Here like this you can create, and this component, this one is also you can create a snapshot. Okay. One component have v1, v2, second component have v3. Okay, while creating a snapshot, these two create a one snapshot, and this snapshot can use at the application level deployment.
So if you see the version, because we're talking about this snapshot, that if you see the version 1, version 2 is made of different code. So if you take a snapshot, it integrates all the code. How would
No, I
it?
didn't get you. Can you come again?
I said if you take snapshot of all the versions, okay,
If you take the snapshot
of all the versions, just the way you explain now.
all the versions, yeah.
So it will integrate all the version in one snapshot. So how will the code function?
How it could be deploy? You're asking.
Yeah, because for example, you have
Yeah,
version
I'll
1,
show you that snapshot
version
also.
2.
I'll show you. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I don't have 1 second. In this one component, I don't have versions, right? Okay, I didn't integrate with the artifactory. Let me integrate with the artifactory so that I can show you the snapshot.
The first integration you did was at the component level, right?
Yeah, first I need to set up this one. First I'll create the snapshot and you'll understand how that snapshot I can deploy. and number of all those things.
Yeah, what I'm saying now, this step, I think you did it before.
Yeah, because I want to integrate. That is the reason I'm doing here. I need a versions here. Otherwise, I cannot create the snapshot.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm trying to import version 1. Okay, now create a snapshot. How will you create a snapshot? Go to here, create snapshot, create a snapshot. See, I'm giving a snapshot version 1.
Hmm.
Okay, in that I have 2 applications. Okay, in this first application, first component, I want to select version 2. Okay, in this second, this if I don't want to create this one, I don't require it. Okay, if I want, I can select this one and log the snapshot. It will log the snapshot. Confirm. Now go to the application, process, next, select snapshot. See version 1 snapshot I selected, right? Select and deploy. It will go ahead and deploy. Got it right? You want me to show this one completely?
But
I'll show you again.
But
See,
the
I'll
version 1.
I'll remove this one. See, I'll show you in this one also. Here I removed. Nice. Okay, here also I removed. If I root this one, it is done, right?
Yes.
Okay.
An application.
I want to create a snapshot. That snapshot it won't work. This snapshot won't work. Okay. I want to create a snapshot version 2. Okay. Only here I have the version which I want to deploy. I can select version 1 and version 2, whatever. Okay. Now log the snapshot. Confirm.
So you see, hello. Can you go back to this? Yeah. You see this run application? Can you go back to where you log the snapshot? Yeah,
no, already logged.
Oh, you're okay. Okay.
Yeah. See, the component. This is the component. Any number of version you can select V1, V2, V2 like this, and you can log the snapshot.
Okay. For example, this is a run application. Okay, and some card agile deployment. The code I do the same thing. If, for example, this code is different from this run application, and the code coming from this Tomcat wire is a different code. So how will the code run on Tomcat server?
Code is different, and you want to run that new code on the Tomcat server. You mean to say like that, right?
Yes.
Any new code came. See, any new code came means the developer obviously they will build and put it on the Artifactory, right, with the new version. Okay, that version you will go ahead and deploy. That is the reason version and version 2 I am showing here. Don't confuse. If any new code, they'll build in CI tool Jenkins. Okay, they'll put in version v3, and that v3 version you have imported here, and log that snapshot. Okay, and deploy the snapshot. Simple.
Okay.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.